On many occasions, while I've been working on my day job, I have misplaced, lost and dropped my expensive earphones. So recently, I came across this little set of earbuds on the AliExpress. They are totally free, yes, believe me. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, please take a second to show some support by subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single person. But if you've already done so, well, thank you very much. You are a star. It's available in 5 colors for you to choose. Let's unbox and review T2 TWS earbuds from AliExpress. So please stick with the video till the end. This is the manual. USB-C charging cable. This is the charging dock with display. Charging port is here at the bottom. No box, covered with an ABS transparent case. Will certainly help to hold earbuds in charging dock. Case is pretty light and compact. No extra ear tips. It feels quite durable and solid, which is quite surprising from a free device. On the website, it does state that this particular case has an internal 150 mAh battery, and with earbuds it comes to around 200 mAh total. When using 100% volume consistently, you'll get around 1.5 hours of music time. Can charge with dock 2.5 times. Let's quickly dive into great features this has. In-ear type earbuds, quite comfy to wear, superior hi-fi sound quality with noise reduction, deep bass, good highs and mids, up to 24 hours battery life with charging dock. There's no energy saving sensors. So when you take the earphones out of the ear, the audio will not cut off and pause. No ear pain while using them over a few hours. My ears didn't feel sweaty at all. They didn't fall out with rapid movements or when doing exaggerated jaw movements. It's a weird way to test that aspect out, but it's true. Most times, unsecured earphones will quite simply fall right out. Try it right now with yours and let me know in the comment section which earphones you used and how they reacted. Buds are marked with L for left, and R for right. Hope you can see that. Here, a bit tiny. So, earbuds are easily identified, even in a dim lit room. These touch controls are fairly responsive. No, can't use this in rain. Ain't waterproof at all. A condenser microphone at the end of the stem. These tiny pads will touch the charging pins on the dock. These are the charging pins. Make sure to remove the tape bottom which is covering the USB-C charging port. And when charging, just place the buds back in the dock. It's automatic. And make sure to use low current of less than 1 ampere to charge the dock. There's a centralized, very well lit battery level indicator as well as the left and right earbuds charging indicators. No, those levels are not a guide to the remaining earbud levels. It's just an indication that they are charging. It'll only take 1 or 5 minutes exactly to fully charge the case from flat. With the earbuds, I have perfectly tried and tested this. When fully charged, OK will be displayed. Once you take it out, it will continue blinking, searching for a connection. Switch Bluetooth on your Android or Apple device and select AR31. As soon as it connects, Bluetooth volume level will be displayed and the battery level as well. Once connected, it will remember the last paired device. It's connected now and the media player is open. Now let's check the tap feature. Single tap will pause and play. Double tap on right side will fast forward to next. And triple tap will increase volume. Double tap on left side will go to the previous. And triple tap will decrease volume. And the voice pickup will sound like this. I've asked a friend to give me a call. Now I'm going to answer the phone with a single tap on either bud. And I will speak to the earbuds mic. We'll do the recording on my mobile phone itself. You can judge the quality of the call by this. When a call comes to us, just tap on either bud. To end the call, just tap again. To be honest, when it comes to any type of voice call, although the voice pickup might sound okay, we do sound a bit muffled at times. But overall, the microphone is quite good. It did surprise me. So I'm going to hang up the call now. Just one tap on either earbud. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support this channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. See you next time. Bye.